Have your savings been working hard enough as you struggle to look for other money? Or rather, let me ask you this. Has your fund manager been actively looking for investment strategy, ama they have just been chilling with good vibes? Welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, and this is our weekly money market funds review, where we get to see how fund managers fared for the previous 1 week, and in general how the money market funds market is doing. If you are a first timer here, welcome aboard, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back again. We just dive direct into the performance of the money market funds. We are reviewing figures as the 23rd of May 2025, because we review statistics as at every Friday. And from my table, I can see that at least the table is now a mixed bag of the three colors. That is the red, that is the decrease, the green, that is the increase, and those that remains constant, indicated by yellow. You can see a very good blend of the colors. But before that, let's look at the top 10 fund managers for the week. Though I feel like the data is not really changing enough, we still have the same people on the top 10. And to begin with, at number 1, we have Gulf Cup, but is number 1 because still at 13.87, I think for more than 1 month now. That is quite weird. So if you are a Gulf Cup investor, you need to check out on them what they are doing with your money. Number 2, we have Saiton at 11.59%, that is after tax. We have Kuza at 11.32%. We have Gen Africa at 11.14%. We have Avocap at 11.09%. We have Etika at 10.98%. We have Lofty Carbon at 10.9%. At number 8, we have N-Wealth with 10.27%. Number 9, we have Old Mutual at 10.25%. And number 10, we have Orient Cash at 10.13%. For the last 5, Equity at 4.61%, African Alliance at 6.83%, Mayfair 7.83%, ICA 8.36%, and ABSA at 8.44%. So we have the top and the bottom. Then in terms of average, you can see that we have been having a decrease consistently for the past few months. But I don't know whether I call it an increase or I call it a stagnation, because it is not it is an increase but with a very small margin. The net interest for the week that ended, that is the net interest at 16th May 2025, was 9.46%, and the net at 23rd May 2025 was 9.47%, a 0.01% increase. So for this week there was no decrease. Then we get to look into how the fund managers behaved in terms of increase and decrease. As you can see from now the properly arranged table, you can see that we have almost equal greens, equal yellows, and equal reds. That is quite a number of them. I think there are around 10 of them showed an improvement, with equity having the highest increase of 0.4%. 7 of them stagnated. That is not normal, but 7 of them stagnated. That is comparing 23rd and 16th. And we have 10 of them that decreased. And we have the worst loser is Britam this week. The worst loser happens to be Britam. They lost 0.28%. So that is it in terms of decrease and increase. That is the change of the percentage of interest that the fund managers issued. Then today I want to introduce something new that we have never reviewed. I don't know whether you are aware that we have money market funds that are dollar denominated. There are people in this country who earn their salary in terms of dollars. May it be in these big companies, may it be freelancers who are paid in dollars. You should be aware that you can invest your money direct into the money market funds that are dollar denominated. Like if you want to have a money market fund and you earn in dollars, you don't have to open to open a Kenya shillings money market fund, then you convert your money from dollar to Kenya shillings. We have dollar denominated money market funds where you can be able to invest your money directly into the dollar denominated money market funds. But not all fund managers have dollar denominated market funds. So here are some of the fund managers that have dollar denominated money market funds that you can consider if you are considering investing in dollars. And I'll read them in the order of their performance in terms of interest rates. And I'll give you the gross interest rate. So we have Kuza money market fund at 6.62%, Etika at 6.26%, Jubilee at 6.18%, Genghis at 5.56%, CIC 5.14%, Sanlam 5.12%, Lofty Cobon 5.10%, Dry Associates 5.08%, Old Mutual 5.07%, Upside 4.74%, and Britam at 3.76%. So if you earn your salary in dollars, you can have your savings in a dollar denominated money market fund. Otherwise, that is all for the weekly money market fund review. See you next week as we get to see what gets to transpire in the market.